DJ Robson Sintra.
$1. In fact, no, brother man, here, have two. $2 means a snack for me, but it means a big deal to you. Be strong, serve God only. Know that if you do, beautiful heaven awaits. As to pull my rope for the first time, I saw a man with no clothes, no money, no plate, Mr. Wendell. That's his name. No one ever knew his name, cause he's a no one. Never thought twice about spending on an old bum until I had the chance to really get to know one. Now that I know him, to give him money isn't charity. He gives me some knowledge, I buy him some shoes. And to think blacks spend all that money on big colleges, still most of y'all come out confused. Go ahead, Mr. Wendell. Go ahead, Mr. Wendell. Mr. Wendell has freedom, a free that you and I think is dumb. Free to be without the worries of quick to this society, for Mr. Wendell's a bum. His only worries are sickness and an occasional harassment by the police in their chase. Uncivilized we call him, but I just saw him eat off the food we waste. Civilization, are we really civilized? Yes or no? Who are we to judge when thousands of innocent men can be brutally enslaved or killed over a racist grudge? Mr. Wendell has tried to warn us about our ways, but we don't hear him talk. Is it his fault when we've gone too far and we got too far? Cause on him we've walked. Mr. Wendell, a man, a human in flesh, but not by law. I feed you dignity to stand with pride. Realize that all in all, you stand tall. Go ahead, Mr. Wendell. Mr. Wendell, yeah. Yeah, Mr. Wendell. Mr. Wendell, yeah. Lord. Mr. Wendell. Yo, VIP. Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance! Crush a speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly! When I play a dope melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit bullseye, the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Now that the party is jumping, with the bass kicked in and the Vegas are pumping. Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Burning them, being quick and nimble. I go crazy when I hear a cymbal and a hi-hat with a souped up tempo. I'm on a roll, it's time to go solo. Rolling in my 5.0 with my rag top down so my hair can blow. The girl is on standby, waiting just to say hi. Did you stop? No, I just drove by, kept on pursuing to the next stop. I bust a left and I'm heading to the next block. The block was dead, yo, so I continued to A1A. Beachfront Avenue. Girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis. Rock men lovers, driving Lamborghinis. Jealous, cause I'm out getting mine. Shade with the gauge and vanilla with the 9. Ready for the chumps on the wall. The chumps acting ill because they're full of 8-ball. Gunshots ranged out like a bell. I grabbed my 9, all I heard was shells falling on the concrete real fast. Jumped in my car, slammed on the gas. Bumper to bumper, the avenue's packed. I'm trying to get away before the jack is jacked. Police on the scene, you know what I mean? They pass me up, can run it all the dope fiends. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Miami's on the scene, just in case you didn't know it. My town, that created all the bass sound. Enough to shake and kick holes in the ground, cause my style's like a chemical spill. Feasible rhymes you can vision and feel. Conducted in form, this is a hell of a concept. We make it hype, and you wanna step with this. Shape plays on a fade, slice like a ninja, cut like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say, damn, my rhyme was a drug, I'd sell it by the gram. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose. Magnetized by the mic while I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Ice, ice, baby. Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother. Ice, ice, baby.
I bring them. In spring I sing, and fall I call out to all the ones who had a hard day. I prepared a place on my dance floor. The time is now for you to party. I thought it would be a good chance for you to move. House music always soothes, so get with the flow, let's go. Yo, can you rock to a house group tempo? If so, then shall we let the games begin? We're better up position, can you beat? And I'm on fire, the flame's too hot to douse. The pool is open, come into my house. To my house. Don't make me wait. Come into my house. Here's a dance step from Alan Kika. Bass and treble flow through the speakers. Ride the rhythm. I know it's gonna reach you. I'm the queen, Latifah. Now it's time to run through it. 45 King. Cue it, yeah, there you go. I told you could do it. Now did you enjoy it? I knew it. Dance to the beat of the drum. Give me some with the flavor unit. I come to say ride the groove line. Don't swing the pipe bomb. Listen to the groove line. Throw away the white line. It's a house party I'm hosting. Come and rock with the one who's chosen. He can't turn me inside out. For those who dare to come into my house.
MCSA, alright. In the heat of the night, pump up the party, turn off the light. Back like just an illusion. On the mic, clear the confusion. Get up and dance, dance into the funky groove where all the party people move. So come on, get up, take it to the top. Don't stop that body rock. Yes, do the New Jack Hustle. Shake your booty, flex your muscles.
Everybody, shake your body.
It's MC's House Hip House Party. Like the rubber with a mic in a hand, let's cut and stomp into the jam. Like a bow from the blue, I'm breaking too.
It's on you. It's about that time. So come on, get on up, take it to the top. Don't stop. It's about that time. It's on you.
I'll let the party pumping, the whole house jumping, rocking the house, hip hopping on the dance floor. Come on and listen, I'm on the mission. Are you ready to rock steady? Rhyme to rhyme, I add line to line. A motivation guarantee at all the time. The rhyme rock to the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm. Pump up the party,
Turn up the bass.
yes. Do the New Jack Hustle, shake your booty, flex your muscles.
Everybody, shake your body.
It's MC's House Hip House Party. Like the rubber with a mic in a hand, let's cut and stomp into the jam. Like a bow from the blue, I'll break into.
It's on you. It's about that time. So come on, get on up, take it to the top. Don't stop. It's about that time. It's on you.
Baseline. Now let's dance. Now, here we go. Don't quit. Coming from Rob is a new hit. A record that I created for those of you who waited in the disco. Chillin', waiting for Rob to get illin'. It's that time again. So friend, let the record spin. And I wanna move you. Let the beats just groove you. Clap your hands, don't front, cause this is what you want. Get on the dance floor. Puerto Rican, black, white, Chinese. Come on, let's rock in peace. Get on the floor, get loose. Rock with the man with juice. Okay, just play the record that I say. Get crazy, stomp your feet, move to the funky beat of Raw and Easy with the help of the man behind me. This part I like when the crowd get hyped. Come on, here we go. As I rock the show, get on the dance floor. Break it down. I got a witness, don't forget this. Count to 3, then hit this groove that makes you move. I like the cuts to be smooth. I'm the innovator, now not later. Use the up and down across fader on the mixer. Rappers I fixer. You got a runny nose to get fixer. Don't diss me, hit me, it only get me. Up tight, then I go get the posse. I'm like a star in the sky, I'm shining. Like a scientist, I'm finding a new chemical to get rid of you. It's not medicine, magic, or voodoo. Cause I'm rhyming, designing, timing. How long it's gonna take to be climbing to the top? Make sure that I won't drop. Cause I came to rock the spot, get on the dance floor. Keep dancing, don't stop it. With a beat like this guess you can't top it, cause I made it to be hot, and soon it's gonna be on the top. The time is now, not later. Listen to the things I create. I'm not bugging, and you know it. Do it now, or you'll blow it. This is what I want you to do. Move, get on the dance floor.
Me up, my little buttercup. We can tuck sheets, snuggle up and get stuck. Believe it or not, here comes a brother with glow. A snuggling, bubbling, overweight, loving, hugging pro. So what's it gonna be? Me or the TV? Let me take time to set your mind and your body free. So why don't you just stretch for a sec? Lay while the problem so I can cop a quick wreck. Shake me, baby, bake me. No need to fake, here I am, come on and take me. Wind your body, baby, move your body. I see you slip sliding, come on and do it, hottie. I'm not quite sure as to what is going down, but I'm feeling hunky-dory about this thing that I found. But you jiggle, so spread over your love cause it's heavy in the middle. Moving like a movie, she wanted to groove, so I grooved her. Then she wanted to learn, so we play school and I schooled her. But not like this, we can toss and turn, rumble, tumble and twist. Anything you want, I give it. Fantasies will live it, so lay down and relax. Loving my lady, loving my baby girl. Spread your wings so we can fly around the world. Harmony, charming me, your fingertips are calming me. When you drop the kiss of Susie Q, you drop the bomb on me. Stretch it, flex it. Give me the permission, okie dokie, I'll bless it. Bless it like Buddha as the best. We can lay down at the love and put your head on my chest. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with me? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? Come on and tell me. Hit 'em up one time. Keep it funky. Yeah. Keep it like smooth. Here we go. What can we do? What are we gonna do? Roses are red and violets are blue. Love is good and plenty if you get plenty good loving. Kiss you where you're hot, get what I got to keep you bubbling. Do me right, my lonesome dove. Tell your man one time, what is this thing called love? I'm not quite sure as to what is going down, but I'm feeling hunky-dory about this thing I found.
Democracy, the wrong minister. I'm on the trail to see positivity. So wait, sit back and come with me. Please don't get negative, hear what I gotta give. Rapping is my prerogative. Celebrate and taste the pace of the rhyme from the mind designed to lift the whole race. Elevate your inner state. It's time. Celebrate.
moving with mind, body, and soul. Musically motivated to take control, and if you don't watch yourself, it could make you out cold. Feel the vibes, let your body flow through it. Fight the bass, add a pinch of treble to it. Sweet like sugar, it's nice like spice. Do it on time and don't think twice. Lyrics in a category. Could I come from town or from country? In versatility when they get me a degree. Wave up your hand if you love the way me jump. Sit down on the rhythm, sit down on the version. Move up your body in a different fashion. Jump me down fast or in a slow motion. Everybody, everybody hold your space. Celebrate.
To take a second turn, collective efforts here to make your ears burn. Dispensing lyrics like a chemist, no stopping till we end this. Not here to brag or boast or praise ourselves. Enrich your mental health. Now knowledge and wisdom is on the increase. Say peace, keep pushing, no release. Free your mind, let us motivate. It's time, celebrate.